What's up, guys? In today's video we're gonna unbox a ramp from rcvandals. This is quite a unique modular ramp, and this is one of the basic models, which is the rcvandal basher model. So let's get to it. We're gonna see what's inside, and also I'm gonna show you at the end of the video an upgrade which is to be used with this or any other rcvandals ramp. So let's check out what's inside. As I mentioned, this is a modular ramp, so it means it's to be set up, or you can also order it already assembled. The plus is when you break something, or when it gets used, you can just replace or repair any of the parts of the ramp. So this is the first part. You can see a really nice logo, which is laser cut. All of the components here are CNC machine and hand finished. So the quality we're expecting here is pretty good. It's or even, shall I say, excellent. Well, these are the brush bar and the brush bone. We'll get to this a little bit later. Now let's see what we've got. What we've got in the box. We've got another wooden. This is 18mm plywood, because the basic material for this ramp is actually the plywood, which is 18 and sometimes 21 in the HD model. But okay, let's stick to this one. I can see that we have some numbers here and a line, and also we've got already drilled holes, which will actually be make the assembly very comfortable and easy. Okay, we've got number 3. I'll just unpack all the elements. Now here we've got the side elements, which are actually the base elements to which you can you will screw the other boards, like so. But the assembly will be done in a separate video. Now to have a look at this, really nicely done, really nicely finished. This is 18. The HD model has 21mm. We can see that the holes are finished, and that either in those side elements or the of course these elements which will create the way for our cars. The holes are machined so that the screws come inside and they don't stick out at any point. So this is really good. We can see also additional holes in the side elements. These are basically, this is to a sort of handle. When the ramp is already assembled, you can pick it up and go to your spot comfortably, and you can hold it here, which is really nice. But these holes are to link, to combine, to connect several ramps. Just put a an M8 screw here. I will show it in the later videos, and you can connect as many ramps as you can, and they are really stable. Already just one ramp is damn stable, but if you connect 2 or more, it's rock solid, I'm telling you. Okay, so we've got these side elements. Then then the rest of the wooden elements here. Then we've got all the hardware to screw it together, put it together, and then we've got those round, let's say, legs with which you can differentiate the height of the ramp. These are 20 centimeters, and when you mount them, it's the ramp height is around 32 centimeters. But again, we will get to it later. You've got the M8 inside here, so it's also very solid. Then here we've got the plates, which are all metal. This is really solid 5 millimeter steel plate, powder coated black finish. Really nice. Well, and that's it. This, of course, the second one. Let's have a look again. So everything is really nicely finished, so that from the beginning, from the start, the sensation of just having this product in your hands and getting to putting it together, you feel good about it. Yeah, that's what it is. Inside of this box, you've got the screws. As I mentioned, all the side elements, like the walls are already pre-drilled, so there won't be any hassle with perfectly putting this ramp together. And because of the holes, there is no way that the wood will crack because of the screws. We've also have the oh yeah, and those screws are very good quality. There's a special bit for them as well inside, and as they are from Wurt, and this is a special individual bit for it. You can really feel the difference when working with this, and they hold really good. So this is actually the best, or one of the best you can get. Of course, you've got some shorter screws as well to mount the bash bar and the bash bone, which we are going to have a look right now. Okay, we've got the M8 screw, now the washer, and then there has to be a nut somewhere here. Yep, here it is. So you just screw it together like this, and then you're ready to go to screw the legs of the ramp in. Also the nuts which hold the plates, they are not just ordinary nuts, they've been tested strongly, and they are the strongest you can get for this application. So they also have this nylon or plastic thing, so they don't get unscrewed. You've got the nice bigger area here to hold this everything together really nicely. So I'll just put it back together here, and we're gonna have a look from beneath. Okay. As you will assemble your ramp, when it's finished, of course, from the bottom, you put the bush bar here to increase the strength in this particular area. And there's also a backbone, like a backbone, to screw here, also from, of course, from the bottom, to strengthen yeah, the basic area where, of course, obviously the RC cars are coming in, as these are really strong. I mean, this is 18 mil plywood, but as you go, you know, 60, 70, 50, or you know how many kilometers per hour you go with bigger trucks, you put much stress, especially in the middle. So this little piece here strengthens this area and doesn't really allow the boards to work like this. So it's a pretty nice upgrade. Of course, it's up to you if you're going to install these, but especially the bush bar is really recommended. I'd say it's crucial. It gives really much more strength in this area, and with this, well, of course it weighs a little bit, but in the basic model, the Basher model, this is 6.5 mil plywood. It doesn't weigh that much, so the only thing you gain is a little bit less weight. But is it worth it? I don't know. I think it's worth to install this here and to have the full strength. In the HD model, these are made from 10mm plywood, but yeah, we'll get back to that a little bit later. So we've got all the elements here, and when you put them like this, you will actually see that they are in the correct order. If you put them like this, there are numbers written on them. So before you assemble your ramp, make sure you put them correctly, like this. This line also helps you, you know, not to mix it perhaps like this, okay, but to keep it in the correct order, as these pre-drills, they are individually made for your ramp that you receive. So it is crucial to have a perfect match, that you put them in the correct order. Yeah, guys, that's it with the unboxing video of the RC Vandals ramp. Yeah, and there will be more for sure, as I'm already testing them, using them, and yeah, we'll give you updates on the ramp. There is one more thing I wanted to show you in this video, which is not included in the basic model. This is to be bought separately. This is an upgrade, really good, really strong upgrade. This is the 4mm plate of a special material, which is pretty light, as you can see, flexible, but very durable. Tests shown that it's working really nice. it's got a white matte finish on this side, which is actually to be used in as a front. You've got the glossy from beneath. I think it's a matter of time. Then maybe we could choose whether to use this or the other side. But well, I like the matte finish, and it definitely gives you a little bit more grip. This is already prepared to work with the ramp, of course, and then together with this you get a set of screws, and as with a ramp with all the wooden parts, you've got the machined holes so that none of the screws stick out, and you have a perfectly flat area, not to ruin your car or not to catch the screw. Yeah. So, but as I mentioned, this is something to like an upgrade. Well, the nice part about this construction, many advantages, many nice things about it, being modular. You can switch, you can repair any of the elements, which is really nice, and the repairs are cheap, and we know that bashing hard will make any ramp damaged more or less sooner or later. So this is quite nice. And of course, being the plywood, when there is contact with the elements of the car, sometimes something have to give. So this is also a nice material to keep your car in one piece. And then if you damage something here, you can also use some sandpaper, and you can let's say like refurbish the elements pretty easily, which I will be showing in upcoming videos as well. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. Let me know what you think, and see ya next time. Bye bye.